Hi everyone, this is the CTT Signal On Timer, and CTT meaning counter, timer, tachometer, digital unit, all in one. So up on here I have my website or my manual pages relating to our Signal On Timer, and this gives you a description of actually what happens. And then onto the right hand side we have our timing chart, where we see right here below. And so you see, once I have the start signal on, the output turns on, and then it will time out and then turn the output back off again. So that's how it actually works. If I look at my timer, what we'll do is we will go down and take a look at the wiring diagrams or wiring examples. Then we have our dip switch settings that you can set this up so it will do our signal on timer from dip switch settings. Then we have our keypad settings to program it, which we'll come back to, and then we have our setting time units that we can plug into the unit for the different timers. That's it. We only have 2 pages that we can look for, and this will allow us to program the entire timer. So going back to our setup here, what we'll do is hit and hold on the mode key, and our our function itself is going to be a timer, which is correct. Then we have our up time. Right, we set for up. We could go down so that the time value actually goes from the set value down to 0. Then we have it set up here for signal off delay, but we want signal on timer, so we will use the up arrow key, and that's what it is. And then we'll hit mode to lock that into place. Then we have our unit, timing unit, which is actually set for 0.1 of a second, which is correct. Then our reset is 20 milliseconds. Then we have our PMP, which is the way in which it's wired up. And we're using PMP because we're using a voltage input. And then hitting once more, we go back to our time mode like we had before. To get back to our run or our main menu, hit and hold the mode key again, and then we're back to the main menu. Now if we look at running this unit, if we turn on the start, you will see my output is actually on, and I start timing it down. If I take away the start, it remains on. If I hit the pause button, it will pause the timer until the pause button comes off, which I'll do, and it continues timing. If I turn off the power and then turn it back on again, you will see everything resets. And what I'll do is I'll start my timer again, and then we also have a reset button which will zero it out and turn that back off, and then our start button will now turn it back on again. And again, my outputs turn on until I get to my set value of the time, which is 35 seconds in our case, and then the outputs then will come on. Now all the links and documentation can be found on our website at accautomation.ca. There's also listed below in the description. And if you like this video and like to see more, there are 3 ways in which you can help us out. You can give us a thumbs up so other people can find this information. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also go to accautomation.ca and subscribe to our website. When you do, notification will be given to you every time we publish new content to the site. You'll also get 2 free ebooks on numbering systems and robust data logging. And the third thing to do to help us out is to tell a friend or colleague about the site. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.